everyone! Hi there, it's me, Mrs. McKee. I'm here in my hut, a little colder than I was last summer when we first started all of these sing-along sessions. Welcome to those who I don't normally see from week to week, but it's lovely that you could all join us for a bit of a silly sing-along. We haven't sung properly for such a long time, but I thought, wouldn't it be great if we could do some silly warm-up songs and some good fun songs just to get us all back in a happy mood for this new year. So, these videos are only going to be very short because I know lots of you have got lots of homework to do this time round during lockdown. So let's just waste no more time and get on with doing some singing and some silly actions. So, to start off with, I want to see if you can find your front, your back, your bottom and your top. Can you do that with me? I'm going to get faster. Off we go. Front, back, bottom, top. 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 Excellent. Well done you. So I hope you're standing up for this. I hope you've got lots of space to do this in. Now we're going to put it with a little bit of a tune. So I'll sing it first and then you sing it back to me. Can you do this? Front, back, bottom, top. I'll do it again. Front, back, bottom, top. You'll go front, back, bottom, top. Good. Let's do it one more time. Off we go. Front, back, bottom, top. Excellent. Now can you sing this? That's the way we're put together. Might go again. That's the way we're put together. You try it. That's the way we're put together. Did you do it? Great. So what we're going to do is go from the beginning. We're going to do our fronts and our backs. But in between each one, we're going to sing and a. So it'll go like this. Might go first. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. Do you see how it works? I'll do it one more time and then it's your go. Off I go. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. Your go now. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. Did you get it? Good. Because then you have to do it again. But it's a slightly different tune. Listen again. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Can you hear it's different? A front and a back and a bottom and a top. You try it. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Did you get it? Good. And then the next part goes like this. Same words, but different tune. That's the way we're put together. That's the way we're put together. You'll go with me? That's the way we're put together. Okay, so those two together go like this. My go first. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. And again. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. All right, so if we go from the beginning, can you hear that our voice gets a little bit higher each time we do the pattern? So from the beginning I'll go first. Goes like this. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. Can you try it with me? Back to this part of your voice. Off we go. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. You have to breathe in funny places, don't you? Are you ready? We've got two more bits to do. This time we go higher up in our voices. Same idea though. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. You do it. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Very good. But now this time we don't sing That's the Way We Put Together. This bit goes bonkers. Are you ready? Big breath. We've got lots of words to sing. My go first. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. I'll do it again. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. Really stand up super smart for this one. Off we go. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. It's everybody move your body, dance until you drop. Say it. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. What a mouthful. Let's try it with the singing. Off we go. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. Did you get it? And the last bit has the same words as the beginning, but it's just different tune. Goes like this. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Easy. Front and a back and a bottom and a top. But then this bit, that's the way we're put together, is different. That's the way we're put together. Your go. That's the way we're put together. So those bits together go like this. Oh, two bits with the mad dancey bit in the middle. I go first. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. Oh, I got confused myself. I forgot where my bottom was. Can you do it with me? So, a front and a back and a bottom and a top. Off we go. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. Good job. So all the way from the beginning, oh my goodness, we've got to make our voices go from low to high, and you've still got to remember where your bottoms are. A front, are you ready from the beginning? Off we go. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. Do you think you could do it? I hope so, because next week we're going to do it again, but make it really difficult. But let's do it with some music. If you think you need to do it again, rewind, have a little practice. But for now, we're going to try it with the music. I hope you can hear me properly, because my new microphone really needs me to be that close. Which I'll do in a minute, but I can't do it standing up, can I? So, here we go. Are you ready? That's the way we're put together, part 1. Here we go.
A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together.
So, that is the first time round. Let's do it one more time because it was a bit faster. Here we go, last time.
A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. Everybody move your body, dance until you drop. A front and a back and a bottom and a top. That's the way we're put together.
Golly, I think we'll leave it there for today, and next week we will do something, as I said, a little bit more difficult, where you have to miss out one word at a time. A bit like head, shoulders, knees and toes, if you know that one. Great. Now I'm going to sit down and get myself all moved about a little bit because we're going to start a song now. That was a silly warm-up, which was good fun. But now we're actually going to start a song. So as I said, these videos are not going to be quite as long as the ones that were last time because you've got such a lot to do. So if we just do one silly warm-up and one proper song, that should be enough, shouldn't it? I've realised it's getting a little bit dark in here, so hopefully you can see me properly. I'm going to change my CD over and we're going to learn a song called Build It High. It's a really good feel-good song. It's all about trying hard and not getting worried if it doesn't work the first time round. Perseverance. I know there are a lot of schools that have that as their kind of motto, their school values. Perseverance, just keep going. You'll get there in the end. So this one's called Build It High. Some of you might remember it from a very long time ago. I know one of my schools has sung this before, but it was ages ago. Okay, so let's get that right. Super. So you should all have plenty of space. You can be sitting down to start off with, but this song has got a few actions in it, so at some point you might well want to stand up. Okay, we're going to learn the chorus part today. It's one of those songs that has got this little theme that goes lots and lots of times all the way through it. Okay, and that's the bit about building it high. So what I'm going to do is play it all the way through. I'll try and sing it all the way through. I haven't done it for ages. And I want you just to see if you can try to join in with the build it high bits every time it comes. You just need to watch out a little bit when the build it high bit comes though, because there are things called rests in between each part of the build its, and you need to make sure that you've counted enough of them. Okay, so the part you're going to watch out for and see if you can join in with, it goes like this. Got to build it. 1, 2. Build it high. Can you hear there's 2 big counts where you don't do anything at all? I'll do it again. It goes like this. Got to build it. 1, 2. Build it high. Can you do that with me? So you don't have to say the 1, 2 out loud. You could do it in your thinking voice. Okay, ready? Off we go. Got to build it. 1, 2. Build it high. Good. Then you have to do it again. But before you do it again, this time you have to count how many. I'm going to do it. Got to build it. 1, 2. Build it high. Got to build it. 1, 2. Build it high. How many was it? 3 in between each time. So let's do it 2 times through with a 3 counts in the middle. Off we go. Got to build it. 1, 2. Build it high. Got to build it. 1, 2. Build it high. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Brilliant. So every time you hear that in the song now, you can join in. Okay? Great. It's really good fun. Let me see if I can get the right track up. Oh, because it's a long way along this CD. It starts with the build it high part, and then it's got 2 different parts in the middle. Right, number 17. Hope you can hear it. Hope it's nice and clear for you. And it's got a really good instruction. So if you want to stand up and have a boogie, go ahead. Goes like this.
We've got a problem, we can work it out. Let's get together, that's what it's all about.
Here we go.
Got to build it high.
1, 2, 3.
Got to build it
the point in argument? Let's stand united, take the challenge in our stride. Just remember that we're on the same side. Chorus! They've got a problem, we can work it out. Let's get together, it's what it's all about. Here we go. Got to build it high. Got to build it high. Don't stop blaming someone else if things go wrong. That's wasting precious time, and we don't have too long. No use in panic when the situation's grim. Trust in teamwork and let the game begin. Can you join in now? We've got a problem, we can work it out. Let's get together, let's get together. That's what it's all about. Got to build it high. Got to build it high. Build it high. Build it high. Build it high. Excellent! So you could hear at the end we just had to build it high a few more times. I hope you're going to enjoy singing that song with me. Hopefully by the end there you'd got the bit that was the chorus part, which is, we've got a problem, we can work it out. You should be able to sing that along with me easily next week, and what we'll do is we'll learn the other two parts that were in the middle. And I've sent the lyrics for these songs that we're going to be learning through to your teachers and through to your parents. So if you want to read the words along, then that's fantastic. So hope you've had fun today. It's been really nice to have a good sing, and hopefully I'll see you all next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.